Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are about to begin a journey into the French world. Bienvenue en France. Welcome in France. Here are some French words so that you can come to know how is it being written in French, how is it being pronounced, and let's start their respective meaning. Les salutations. Les salutations, which means greetings. In the first part of this word, salutation is salute. You don't have to pronounce the last letter T. Repeat after me. Salute, salute. And the second part is tation. Les salutations. Can you repeat? Salutation, which means greetings. Let's start with the greetings. Bonzo, bonzo. Here you don't have to pronounce N like in an English word bone. It's not bone, it's bone, bone. And with R sound too, which is also very different from English. Can you repeat? Bonzo, bonzo. So bonzo is a formal way of greeting someone. It means good morning or hello. When you have to say good morning to your elders, like parents, teachers, boss, and strangers, etc., etc., you will use the word in French is bonjour. The next, salut. Salut. In this word, you don't have to pronounce the last letter T. Salut. Salut is an informal way of greeting someone. It's also meaning hello or hi, but in an informal way. When talking to your friends or younger one, you will use the word in French is salut. Salut. First one is bonjour. Second one is salut. Now come to the third. This one is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Here also you don't have to pronounce N like in an English word born. It's not born. It's bon. And same with the R sound too. You have to pronounce it as bonsoir, bonsoir, which means good evening, good evening. When someone says bonsoir to you, you can simply reply bonsoir as well, bonsoir. Next, bon après-midi, bon après-midi. Here, bon is not a nasal word. Instead, there is a relationship between N and A. You have to pronounce N if it appears before vowel A. So it's bon après-midi. It's bon après-midi, which means good afternoon. Okay. You can use this word in afternoon to greet someone. Alright. First one is bonjour, which means good morning. Second one is salut, which means hello or hi. The third one is bonsoir, which means good evening. And the fourth one is bon après-midi, which means good afternoon. So come to the next word. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. This sound is pronounced as the mouth is open and stretched horizontally, your tongue touches the front lower teeth. Okay? The second part is Vanille. It's not venue. It's Vanille. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Can you repeat? Bienvenue. Which means welcome in English. You usually welcome people to a particular place. Like, welcome to my house. Like me, I said, welcome to my channel. So, you will use the word in French is bienvenue. Can you repeat? Bienvenue. The next. How about this? Saba. Saba. As you can see, there is a special character which you can type using Alt plus 128 from your computer keyboard. This one is called accent in French. We will discuss this later. Now come to the point, how to pronounce it. Sava. Sava. You can simply say this. Sava. Sava is a short for Kumo Sava. Kumo Sava. It goes used in casual conversation. It goes used in casual conversation. It can be both a question and a reply, but it's an informal way. It means, how are you? What's up? How is it been going? If you are speaking with people whom you know very well, like family, friends, you will use the word Sava, Sava. Sava with question mark. You can say, how are you? And Sava without question mark, it means you can say, I'm okay, I'm fine, okay? Last but not the least, Kumo Sava. Kumo Sava. This word Kumo end with O. En form O sound and T is the silent here. So it's Kumo Sava. It's Kumo Sava. Can you repeat? Kumo Sava. It's also meaning how are you? How are you? But in formal way. Sava is in formal way, but Kumo Sava is in formal way. If you are speaking with your boss, stranger, you can use this word in French is comment ça va? Comment ça va? Can you repeat? Comment ça va? Well done. Comment ça va? So that's it for me. But here is a question for you. How would you greet your teacher? Please comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.